Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials right now. Ensure the phone number and email match the Gcash account. This matters because recovery ties to those credentials. Once done, open the official Gcash app, do not use third-party links, and choose Help then, Can't Log In. Make sure your device time and date are correct. Incorrect time often stops authentication. Prepare your ID and a clear selfie. You will upload them in the next steps to confirm identity. Now you execute document submission carefully. Follow the app prompts to choose account recovery and pick the type of ID you have. Upload high-resolution photos of the ID front and back. Blurry images cause rejection. When asked for a selfie, hold your device steady and match the angle and lighting shown. This reduces delays during biometric checks. Once uploads complete, review each image then tap Submit. The system will process. Expect an initial response within minutes, but it can take longer. Complete the process by following the approval instructions you receive. If the verification succeeds, you will get a prompt to set a new MPIN or password. Create a strong, memorable one and store it securely. If verification is rejected, read the reason carefully. Usually the fix is a clearer photo or correct document type, so recapture and resubmit immediately. If nothing works after 2 attempts, contact Gcash support with your case ID and screenshots. Keep record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.